from Beansprout, I have a quick stock instrument to show you. This is number 762. It's a tenor ukulele, and the back and sides are some beautiful local walnut to me, a little curly. This is the same stuff as the instruments I made for Dave Matthews. And then to go along with that theme, I stayed in the top on this one. So it's a spruce top, and I just have a little bit of a rustic amber look to it, which I really like doing. And the spruce neck has some amber in it too. Just makes it look a little more experienced. Yeah, it was a really fun project. So I've got pistachio head plate here with a beautiful burl in it, and then pistachio fretboard, pistachio little pick guard, little stained maple bridge, and then walnut binding everywhere else just to tie it all together. So it's a tenor strung low G right now, and it's a good one. So Spruce Top always has good volume and clarity to it, but this one is not as bright as a maple back and sides would be. The walnut really warms it up. I think it's a good balance overall. So this one's going to be up for sale on the website in just a bit. If you're looking for a simple tenor, this one's for you. Cheers.